45, 50 countries, every major city. I've never been to this one. I'm in Mexico City, at least in the airport. It's kind of cool. They've got some really sweet Nacho Libre shirts. Pretty cool. That's why we have commit calls, so you don't have time to actually do anything. All right, this is to honor Morelos.
So it is an independence hero. And the most important one is the right over there.
That guy.
That is our independence guy.
Okay.
Miguel Hidalgo.
They're twinning. They're twinning. Apparently this is Madero. Who's Madero?
An ex-president.
Ex-president Madero. Jaime just said that we were talking about Frida Kahlo's husband was a great muralist. I thought he said a moralist. We're not familiar with the term morals. We don't have any. Right, Jaime? We don't have any morals.
Right. That's right.
It's a little bit fuego. It's hot. You think, is it time for a siesta?
Yeah,
It's time for siesta.
Yeah.
Like a hotel in Vegas, right? Mexican. Get your Coca-Cola Zero. Sans sugar.
These are chicharrones.
Historical museum right here. Chicharrones.
Chicharrones.
Monterey, Mexico. Check this out. These guys are like over there. Awesome, perfecto. All right, this next video is dedicated to you, Mr. Cam. This is all about the hips not lying. So apparently down here in Monterey, Mexico, there's a big list of people down there. I don't know if you can see them, but they're all waiting for Shakira because apparently Shakira is in my hotel. Hips don't lie, baby. So I thought this was only in our country. Check this out. 6 Mexicans hanging out in the back of a vehicle. And it's not legal to do so. And then everyone honking certainly helps. It's kind of like an end of quarter deal. If everyone honks at a customer, they'll end up signing quicker. Look at these dope cars here. So true story, my late grandfather, Richard Stusinski, had a Hewlett Packard just like this. Okay, this is a really strategic question. Guys,
Yeah?
are we doing midget tossing tonight?
It's a
Not
surprise.
tonight.
It's a surprise. I asked for some midget tossing. I'm not sure if it made the agenda or not, but oh my gosh, my team's here. Hey guys! Woo! Everyone say hi.
Hi.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hey Natalie, your associate success executive here is not wearing a helmet. May I add? You are not wearing a helmet, lady. Young lady. You need to put your helmet on, lady. She needs to put her helmet on. All right, here it comes. From Cuba. I hope you guys are better at selling software than hitting baseballs. Attaboy.
The pitcher winds up with a pitch.
Sí.
Bueno, me da miedo que.
Comes in really slow, doesn't it? It's not fast at all.
For me, it is.
Yeah. It depends who you're talking with.
All right, come on.
There you go.
Let's just get
Almost
used to it.
there.
We're just getting warmed up.
Winding up for a pitch.
I need some coaching. Am I not looking? I don't think I'm looking at this.
Skating to the right side. Send the ball into the
Oh, that was a knuckleball. That doesn't count. All right, gentlemen, this is my first time in the grand city of Mexico City, and with my guys. Say hello.
Hey.
How are you?
Speak some Spanish.
Hola amigos, ¿cómo están?
están?
Bienvenidos a México.
Andre. Okay, so my new friend Ernesto said that there are 24 million people in the city of Mexico City, and there's 24 million cars. Most of them provided by the Chinese. So, Mr. Trump, you have some issues here because we got cheap cars provided by the Chinese.
That's
correct,
right.
Ernesto?
For the last 2 years.
Yes, inexpensive. Yes, inexpensive. I'm looking at this traffic here. I can see why there's drivers everywhere.
With nobody else.
This is
Right, the new enemy of
You see this.
the new enemy are the motorcycles.
the motorcycles are the new
Are the new enemies.
You want to bring your family, Corey.
I will bring them for sure. In fact, look it, we got Snow White
How
for the
many-
girls.
see how many-
In America, we would have homeless people hanging out underneath the bridge, but instead we got luxury high-end tacos. That's
And
amazing.
in the other one, you see skateboarders. Now this is becoming very popular because all this, the architecture, you cannot tear it down.
Yeah.
Because there's certain architecture that they are cataloged, those buildings. So we're not able to. You see those old houses? Those old houses, you cannot do anything with that.
So what's interesting is we're about to go around this roundabout that had a statue formerly of Columbus, but the Mexicans are pissed at the Spaniards for not apologizing for coming to this country and enslaving the people. I get it. So we are looking at the roundabout of the disappearances. So there's how many thousands disappeared?
Thousands.
It's 100,000 people there, so they have, and it's still growing.
100,000 people have just disappeared within Mexico. Not just Mexico City, just in Mexico.
Not in Mexico City.
Mexico country.
Well, I'm glad I'm with Ernesto. I haven't disappeared. You're taking care of me, man. So I'm just going for a walk here in Mexico City. My first time. It's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit freaked out to come here because, you know, the Americans say this place is such a, you know, dirty place and people that are just really bad and mean. They've been super cool and hospitable to me, so we love you, Mexico. We love you, Mexicans. This is awesome.
See you, buddy. Take care.
Making friends everywhere. Mexicans are friendly. This video is for my family. I've learned all the important messages in Spanish, like chinga tu madre, cabrón. So I know how to say go f your mother and go f yourself. So I've learned everything here in Espanol. See?
Yeah, there you go. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien, ¿y tú? Hello. It's Jesus. It's
Oh, Virgin Mary. We love Christians. It's this guy.
sorry
He
about that.
put our beloved
My
Christ to
apologies
bed.
for all my people.
He's my second favorite Hebrew after David Gottlieb. Shabbat Shalom. I'm next to Ernesto de la Cruz. He was also in the movie Coco, and he likes to sing Remember Me. His Mama Coco. I love Mama Coco. They don't look comfortable at all.
How you doing? Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hey Jess, I wonder if you used to hang here 25 years ago. It's a nightclub called Club.
Mi amor. Hola. Mi amo Cory. You too? Adios, amigo.
I found new friends.
Amigos and amigas.
Wow, look at that house. Saudi Arabia embassy. I'm not expecting to spend any time at the Saudi Arabian embassy. I have zero desire to visit that. And by the way, if I do visit the embassy, I'm going to upload this tonight in case you guys never see me again. So I am not planning on going to the Saudi Arabian embassy.